Hello, my name is Joel Lucas, and I am making this video to build a schema over this ER diagram. I will be using Draw.io. I am happy that you are able to follow along with me, and yeah, let's get it. Just making little minor adjustments. So, first things first, we'll build a column for region. So we have region and then the two associated boxes. So we have region ID, where in this case that is the primary key, and then we add one more. We have region name. And for this, I want to underline it because that indicates that it is a primary key. But yep, so we have that. So now from here, we're gonna connect it to store. And as you can see, within one region, it can consist of many stores. So the store will have a foreign key of the region ID, and that's how they'll be connected. So here, let's create one more box. Bam, put that right here. Just make that easier. So we got here, we got store. Now let's add some text. So first things first, we got store ID, another text. We got store zip, another text. We have and then here we have the region ID. As a foreign key. So here, let's underline it. And then from here to here, let's do a connecting line. So from so we have that. So yeah, that just represents that there is a foreign key in that. Sorry, let me also add one more notation to that. FK, just to show that it is a foreign key. And yeah, that concludes that box. But yeah, so now let's move on. So for our stores, within one store occurs many store transactions. So as you can see, TID is the primary key, and then it consists of some foreign keys. So there's the store ID, customer ID, and it appears to be product ID. So those three will be foreign keys within this, and that's how it will connect to all of these associated boxes. So let's get that going. So here, let's add another box. I'm gonna put that down here just so we can create like a little bit more spacing. But yeah, we have sales transactions. we got TID, and this is the primary key, and then another text. Here we got the T date, and then now we got to add some of these primary foreign keys. My apologies. So yeah, so from the store we have store ID. That's how they connect. From here, we also have product ID to connect to products, because with every transaction there's a product and then there's a customer who also buys it, and then with all of that it all happens at a store, so that is why they are connected. And we got customer ID. So let's link these two. So from here, wrong thing. It actually connects to this. So yep, there is that. Actually, maybe space this out just a little bit. And then connect this further. Yep. So let me make this smaller too. So from here we can go to customers. So every sales transaction involves a customer. So as you can see, these involve these three, and within this, the customer ID is the primary key here, and consists of a foreign key of, actually scratch it. This will have the foreign keys. Just to clarify, yes, these will have the foreign keys. So let's do another box. Let's put that over here. Just kind of keep ourselves a little bit organized. Ooh, let me redo that. Here we have customer. So now let's add some text. Here we have customer ID, which is the primary key. Okay, now we have, let's add another text. We have customer name, and then the last text we have customer zip. And then let's draw a line that connects the two. So customer, I put that here, and then obviously these connect. And then we'll do, actually let me space this out just a little bit more. And bam. Now we have another schema. So with sales transactions, it involves products. So let's get that going. And as you can see with products, product ID is the primary key, but within that it will consist of two foreign keys: the category ID, because of the category of the product, and the vendor ID. As you can see, because it's a one-to-many relationship, so these consist of these two foreign keys. But yeah, let's get that going. Another box. Let's get that right here. We will call this product. Now let's add some text. First is the primary key, product ID. Actually, before we continue, I do want to add foreign key to this. And then customer ID also is a foreign key. Okay, so product ID. And then now let's add a couple more boxes. Product price. We got product name. Now we got the two foreign keys. We have vendor ID, which is a foreign key. And then last but not least, we have category ID, which is a foreign key. But yeah, so we'll do another line from, we'll do a curve. Here. So we'll do from here. Just make it somewhat unique. Okay. Now from here, I'll also add a box here that speaks on the quality as just a connecting box. Actually, since I'm here, might as well just do that. So I'm gonna delete this actually. I'm gonna add a that'll be quality. Oh, sorry, quantity. I think from here I'll just add a text that'll go right here that speaks on the quality or quantity, sorry. But yeah, from here now we got the last two. So we got vendor and category. So let's get that going. We'll put one up here. Vendor. Let's add the two. So here we got vendor ID, which is the primary key. And then we got vendor name. And then now, last box, put it right here, put that up. And this would be category. Some text here. We have category ID, which is the primary key, and then another text is category name. That is it. Oh no, make some just clean up. So let's do a couple more lines. So we have vendor to here, and then one last line, category ID to here. But yeah, that is it. That is a schema for this image, I believe. Thank you for joining me.